I feel lucky. I feel like not all employers give that opportunity to their employees. So I feel lucky having the opportunity to continue growing every day.
I was looking for a job slightly outside my comfort zone, and Technetix makes amazing network amplifiers which we sell all over the world, and that got me really excited.
I'm very proud of the team. Broadband nowadays is a necessity of life, and to find a solution and to help the customers to be more competitive in the industry, that's our drive.
There's a little bit of a control freak in me, and you need to be that as a project manager, I think. After 18 years, I would say it feels like family, yeah.
Para mí, trabajar en Technetix es un reto en un mercado tan dinámico como el de las telecomunicaciones. Te permite trabajar sabiendo que estás construyendo algo para el futuro y que estás ayudando a solucionar problemas de tus clientes.
Software developing is my main goal, of course, but also learn how the hardware components work. That's a pretty cool thing too.
I like the freedom of being able to take a current idea and change it in any way we can to better it, further it.
There's always new ideas, new challenges floating around, so it's a really good environment to be around.
Je krijgt toch veel iets meer creativiteit, heb ik het idee, van de verschillende culturen, verschillende invalshoeken op bepaalde problemen.
What I like most is that there's a real sense of energy at Technetix.
La gente que trabaja en Technetix es, la verdad, no tengo ninguna queja, es estupenda, muy colaborativa, muy empática.
One of the biggest things, the differences I see in other places I've worked, is how supportive Technetix is.
Οποιαδήποτε βοήθεια χρειαστεί, οποιοδήποτε υπάρχει κάποιος εκεί πέρα που έχει τις κατάλληλες γνώσεις και δυνατότητες για να βοηθήσει. Τότε υπάρχει πάντα support.
What I like in IT is that we have the ability to support the company in its growth, and that's just a great thing to do.
Als ik iets aangeef van ik zou dit graag willen doen, of ik denk dat dit een goede manier is om dit te onderzoeken, dan ben ik er eigenlijk altijd voor vrij om dat te doen.
We all have different skill sets, and every single one of them helps make Technetix the true success that we are.
It's almost like, bring it on. You bring the mountain, we will match it. That is the energy Technetix has.
So it's fun. It's exciting. It's a great place to work.